In this video, I will give you detailed overview of dope sheet and how to use it. So let's start this video. So dope sheet is like timeline. You can preview your animation and also edit it. But the difference between timeline and dope sheet is that dope sheet gives you more detail about your keyframes. It is mostly used for editing your animation. You can create the whole animation using dope sheet alone. As we walk through it, you will understand it. Okay. So to see dope sheet, you have to click here on the animation tab here. Okay. Now you have here dope sheet. Okay. Timeline, and this is our 3D viewport, which is perfect for animation. Okay. Let's animate it. So we will get the option of editing it. Okay. So let's press K. Here we have location, rotation, scale. As you know that if we do location, we can only edit location. If we do rotation, only we can do animate rotation. And if we do scale, we can only do scale animation. Okay. We want all three. We want to animate all three: location, rotation, scale. And this is the way we animate everything in Blender. So we will do location, rotation, scale. And we have got this option by pressing K if you don't know. Okay. Clicking on this object, left click and K to get the rotation, location, rotation, scale option. Okay. So our keyframes has been inserted here. Okay. So we want our animation to be 72 seconds long. Okay. So we will drag it by clicking left click and take it to 72 seconds. Now we will animate it. So okay, we will change its location first. So we will left click on it and press G. And we will move our mouse and click left click to confirm its location. And now we will press R to rotate it and left click to confirm its rotation. And now scale it. Move our mouse and left click to confirm that we want this much scale. Okay. And now we will confirm that we want this animation. By pressing K again, we will insert this animation, location, rotation, scale. And if we go back now by clicking it and pressing left click mouse button and dragging it and then do space, we have successfully animated location, rotation, scale. Okay. So here is so much of dead space. Like if our animation is over, it is dead space, no animation. We want it to play again and again. So the thing we can do it is that we will press P and drag it. Left click and drag it like this. How much length we want for our animation. Okay. And we do like this. And now you can see that dead space is gone. Now if we press space, our animation will start again from 0 seconds to 72 seconds. No dead space. How cute it is. And now let's see more features of dope sheet. So the biggest feature of dope sheet is that we can get more options of our keyframes. Like here. Here you have seen that we have cube selected and here cube action. If we press here this arrow and again this arrows, object transforms, we will get more options like here. Here we have location, rotation, scale. Okay. For example, we want our Z location. Okay. So we can do is, we can move it by pressing G. We can change its location by pressing G. If we go back here and press space again, we have this animation. Okay. We have just moved this animation. Z location we have moved to here. We will do Ctrl Z to do it, undo it. Okay. So you can move this keyframes by clicking the free keyframes we want to move. For example, we want Y location. Okay. So we will click on Y location, for example, or for example X location, and we will do G to move it. Okay. We have to click here first. Click here. You have to click here, not here. Okay, you have to click here and do Z to move it. Z, G, G. Okay, and Ctrl G to do it back. And we can also duplicate it. How we can duplicate it? Let's example, we want to select all keyframes or location, rotation, scale. How we can do it? Here on the summary tab, we can go on top and we have selected all. Now we want to copy it. We will do Ctrl C to copy. And on which frame we want to paste it. For example, we want to paste it on this 47. Then we will do Ctrl D after going there. So we will do Ctrl V. So now we have successfully copy pasted it. So let's preview it. Okay. So our animation has ended here because we have copied this same here. So that's why it has ended. Okay. We will do Ctrl Z to undo it. Okay. Another option is we have is here. If we go here on the view and if we do show sliders, it will give you more information to edit here. For example, here we have, for example, location, Z location. So we want it to go to top, for example, or leave it top here, and on Y location we want to rotation, we want to move it like this more. So if we go back, it will jump and rotate a bit. You can see. And we can all do from here alone. If we go back and play it, it has gone up and it is rotating weird. Okay. So we can do all of these things from here. Okay. We can edit all of these things from here. No need to go here and do it. We can all do it in same tab. Okay. We can do all of this here. Okay. Another thing is that you can do is that let's Ctrl Z and undo it. Ctrl Z to undo it. Ctrl Z, sorry, Ctrl Z, not Ctrl Z to undo this. Okay, another thing we have is here. For example, if you not selected, for example, if you click on the dead space, we will not get the option. Okay, if you select here, we will get this properties of this. Okay, so what you can do is that if you click here, only show selected, it will only show selected. Okay, then if we click again here, now if you don't select this, it will show it also here, all the option of location, rotation, scale, okay, of animation properties, it will show here. So let's do it again. So we have to select it. Also we can create folders here. So this we can group all of them together. For example, location, we want to group all of the location together. So we can do is, we can select it by pressing Ctrl and clicking left mouse button. We are holding Ctrl and clicking left mouse button. So we have selected the location, all three location, and now we will right click here and we will do group channels. Left click here and group channels, and we will name it location and enter. Okay, now we have all the location inside it. If we click on this arrow, it will show all location. So it is useful, so we can add all of this inside something that is easily to remember. Okay, for example, we have all the location, it is on the same thing folder like, so it is useful. Okay, so this was DopeSheet. Hopefully you have understand this. The next motion editor is graph editor. Click on this video to learn about graph editor, and I will see you in this video.